Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably dealing with the frustrating error code 610 in Roblox, especially when it involves Ipconfig issues. Don't worry. This is a common network-related error that can pop up due to problems with your IP configuration, like DNS conflicts or router glitches. In this video, we'll walk through simple, step-by-step fixes to get you back into your favorite games in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is error code 610? It's typically an error that indicates a connection problem between your device and Roblox servers, often linked to your IP settings. This could be caused by outdated network drivers, firewall blocks, or even a simple glitch from a recent update. The good news is, most fixes involve basic troubleshooting that you can do yourself. Step 1. Start by restarting your device and your router. Sometimes, a quick reboot clears temporary issues. Turn off your computer or console, unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and restart everything. Try launching Roblox again to see if the error persists. If that doesn't work, let's get into the Ipconfig commands. Open the command prompt on your Windows PC by searching for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click and run it as administrator. Type in ipconfig, flushdowns and hit enter. This flushes your DNS cache. Next, enter ipconfig, release, followed by ipconfig, renew, to release and renew your IP address. These steps often resolve network conflicts causing the error. Now, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, they block Roblox from connecting properly. Go to your Windows security settings, check the firewall and network protection, and make sure Roblox is allowed through. If you're on a different OS, look for similar security settings. Another important step is to update Roblox and your network drivers. Open the Roblox app, go to Settings, and check for updates. For drivers, visit your device manufacturer's website or use a tool like Device Manager to update your network adapter. If you're still seeing error code 610, try connecting to a different network, like your mobile hotspot, to rule out ISP issues. And remember, if nothing works, reach out to Roblox support. They're great at handling persistent problems. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix error code 610 and jump back into gaming. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.